Environment variables. So now that you are familiar with configuring greetings and aliases, let's move on to setting environment variables. Open tilde forward slash dot bash profile in nano. Okay. In the bash profile beneath the aliases on new line, type export. In the bash profile beneath the aliases on a new line, type in export user Jane. Okay. Feel free to use your own name. Okay. Let me put in my own name. Fabio Souza. Whoop. Souza Freitas. Then once you exited Nano and are back in the terminal, enter or return to for Mac. Okay, so we're going to exit out of this now. We're going to enter, and then in the command line use source to activate this. That's going to be tilde forward slash dot bash underscore profile. Okay, so now type in echo sign user. Okay, Fabrice was afraid to us. That's it. Let's move forward. So PS1 environment variable. PS1 is an environment variable that defines the makeup and style of the command prompt. What happens when this is stored in tilde forward slash dot period bash underscore profile? Export PS1. So open bash profile in nano. So that's going to be tilde forward slash dot bash underscore profile. Okay. On the new line beneath the last entry, yeah. Set PS1 variable equal to variable equal to make sure that there is one space that follows. Save file, exit nano and press enter. Oops, everything's gone. Let's start again. Bash profile, enter. So all the data has been lost. Yeah. try again. Nano /bash underscore profile. I'm gonna reset this exercise. Let's reset this. Okay, so let's open up Nano with /.bash underscore profile. Okay, so on a new line beneath the last entry, I don't see the last entry here, but anyway, maybe I should move up. Start off with PS1 and then set it equal to forward. Okay, then save this. I'm going to save that and exit out. Great. Then enter. So .bash. Oh, the data has definitely been lost. Yeah, because here it says .bash underscore profile.bash. Okay, so open. Right, so let's start off with nano tools /.bash underscore profile. So we got PS1. What are you going to say? .bash again. Okay, so I just reset the exercise. Let's start off with the instructions. Open /.bash underscore profile. Right, so we got, we're going to export this SW1. and then Control O, enter. You said PS1, yeah, that environment variable. I exported it. So I can't see what else I should. Oh, there you go. Okay, so number 3, source. Dash scope profile. Let's try out the new command prompt. Echo hello. Oh no, Fabio sleeping, yeah. But so now type ls alt